Now, if you want to hide your application, you have to go down to settings, and from settings you go down to screen time. You can see screen time, and by the time you click on screen time, you see turn on screen time. Then you continue. After continuing, this is my iPhone, this is what you press. Then so it will bring out some list. Then you go down to content and privacy restriction. Content and privacy restriction, that is what you're going to press. Then you turn on the content and privacy restriction. After turning it on, you see content restriction, and from content restriction you see application apps. Then from apps you see allow. You just click on don't allow applications. By the time you click on don't allow applications, your applications will hide. All the application you install will hide. Have you seen it? So if I go back there, click on it, and content restriction and application, then allow all applications, you will see those applications will show back to your phone. So it simply means you want to hide these applications away from people you don't want them to see. So from now on, you can now start bringing out your iPhone out for anybody that wants to check your phone. You can just give it to them free of charge, and they will not even suspect anything. Maybe you are on something or you are doing something on your phone. So that is how to hide applications on your iPhones. You are now free to start bringing out your iPhones out, take it anywhere you want to take it to. So you are free and you are very, very safe with it. You can also set password on your iPhone, content restriction, so that even if they go down there, they will not be able to do what? They will not be able to open it, even though they know about it. Only those people that watch these videos will know about this. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and turn on the bell to indicate